Hello, this is Brandon with another video here. We're at our second cleaning for the day, our final cleaning, and this is a 3-bedroom cleaning. Just a few stains. We got some hair glue that we're going to try to tackle. That's the first, so that's the number one challenge right there. So we're going to try to get that up here. So take a look with me. This is the first room. Here's the hair glue. So we're going to put something special in there. I got something I want to use for that. A few stains. This brown stain here. We got a dark area, real trafficked area right there. We're going to work up. Some stains over here against the wall. So we're going to work those areas up. Check the other room here. Same heavy traffic area right here. Letting that really work in. We have some more of the glue, so we're going to treat that. And then this is the final room here. Just really heavy trafficking area in here. We have some makeup on the floor over in this area. So we're definitely going to get this up. So stay tuned. So we got some more stains over here. We're going to get those out of there. Let's do it.